So just coming into a comfortable seated position. Comfortable seated position on the floor, on your knees, cross-legged, whatever feels comfortable for you. And when you're ready, just letting your hands fall to the floor. Just feel the earth next to you. Feel the earth next to you. And when you're ready, and if you like, just beginning to raise the arms up. You may want to add a little breath here. You may want to wiggle your fingers, extending from the armpit to the elbow, elbow to the wrist, wrist to the fingers. And if you like, slowly bringing the hands down the center line. You can have the palms together or wide. You choose, you decide. And we're going to do this 2 more times. So feel the earth with the fingertips. And just notice here the points where your body's in contact with the earth. And you may wish to begin to bring the arms up again. And I'd invite you here to notice how you can create more space at the front of your body. So for me, I need to go a bit like a cactus, arms wider and extending from the armpit to the elbow, elbow to the wrist, wrist to the fingers. Maybe wiggle your fingers. Just notice if it would be useful to put some circles in the wrist. And if you like, and when you're ready, bringing the hands back down the center line. And can we begin to slow it down, that movement? Connecting movement and breath. So, and just notice what happens when we begin to slow down. Usually there's a little monkey jumping around our shoulders saying, hurry up, got to do this, got to do that. Slowing down. And again, coming in contact with the earth. And for the final time, if you like, and when you're ready, bringing the arms up. Take the breath you need here. Breath and movement. And slowly bringing it down. Can you slow it down to half speed? Just what happens if you slow it right down? Just experimenting with that. You have choice. You have choice. Okay. And coming in contact with the earth again. And if you like, and when you're ready, gently dropping the chin to the chest. And bringing the chin up to one side. You may notice a lengthening at the side of the neck and taking it back down again and up onto the other side. You may feel your body lengthening up. You may notice your body lengthening up. Continue with this. We do this 2 more times. Going up to one side. Just being curious, as you may notice it's different on one side to the other. And sometimes we notice and sometimes we don't, and that's okay. That's okay. So coming back to neutral. And if you like, you can bring one hand and take it to the other knee. Take it to the other knee and bring the other hand behind you as a bit of a totem pole that you can rest on. So we've got a bit of a lever going on. And if you like, I'm going to invite you to lengthen through the spine. And you, again here, you may notice the body lengthening up. And feel free to gently twist from around the belly button area and below, bottom of the spine. Gently twist off to the side. And you choose, you control how deep that twist is. And I'd encourage you here just to notice the difference between keeping the eyes down and up. So you control where the eyes are and how deep that twist is. And again, noticing a lengthening at the side of the neck, waist, and any tension in the shoulder area. If you're anywhere near an edge here, maybe just back away from it. And I'd invite you to try that on the other side. So you could try that on the other side. Again, really, before you move, you may want to breathe. And can you notice the earth? Can you notice the floor, the carpet, the points where your body's in contact with the earth? And we're going to, invite you to do this 1 more time on each side. So at your own pace, when you're ready, you have choice. So you may wish to experiment. You may want to push down on that back hand. Just be curious from one side to the other. One side to the other. Excellent. And coming back to neutral, and if you like, and when you're ready, I'd like you to bring some circles into your shoulders. circles into your shoulders, and you choose which direction you want the shoulder to go, And if you like, and when you're ready, I'm going to invite you to bring your fingertips to your shoulders and make some either big circles or small circles, whatever feels right for you right now. You may want to add a little breath with the movement. Okay, moving and breathing. Just feel free to do that, whatever pace feels right for you. And if you like, and when you're ready, I'm going to ask you to come on to all fours, invite you to come on all fours. The knees are around hip width apart. Anything with the wrists that may be uncomfortable for you, feel free to go onto fists. And gently beginning to pull the chin into the chest, arching the spine. Slowly letting that go. Taking the gaze up, and you may want to drop the mid-spine, just checking in with your spine. So we'll do this 3 more times. So bringing the chin into the chest, and you may want to add a little breath. Just noticing, do you want to connect breath and movement? Just being curious about any tension in the neck, mid-spine, lower back. Noticing as your lower back speaking to you here. And can you do this? Can we be here and smile and breathe and notice the earth? That might be a bit too much. So smile, breathe. Excellent. And if you like, and when you're ready, tucking your toes under, I'm going to invite you here to push your hips up into a downward dog. Hips up into a downward dog. And if you like, and when you're ready, walking your feet towards your hands and your hands towards your feet. So we're in a forward bend. And while you're here, I'd like to invite you to notice your feet. So you may want to wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Really squeeze the toes down and take the weight all in the front of the body. Back heels. Can you notice the middle? Where's the middle? The middle's quite boring, but if you've been to the edges, that's why we like the middle. So coming back up to standing. Feel steady. So do what you need to do to feel steady where you are now, feeling steady. So for me, I need to take the feet a little wider. Let the knees be soft, shaking the hands, shaking the shoulders. Have a little wiggle, have a little move. If you like, and when you're ready, we're going to take 3 deep breaths again. Inhale. Bring it down. Just noticing, you can pace me or go with your own pace. Can you connect moving and breathing? You can change something here. What do you want to change? You're not stuck. And final time, take the breath that you need, a powerful breath. Engage, smile. Can we feel the floor under us? Bring the hands back down. Just shaking that out and coming back to that steady spot. Weight on the one side, weight on the other side. Find your middle. Find the middle. Taking 1 foot forward, gently bending that front knee. Gently bending the front knee. No need to take the knees over the big toe. And if you like, and when you're ready, gently bending the front knee forward, taking the arms up. And how can you create more space at the front of your body? What do you need to change? I need to take my foot out a bit so I feel steady and my arms quite wide. Can we do this and feel the ground under our feet? Can we smile? Can we breathe here? Just notice what your body wants to do right now. Breathe. And slowly release. Shake that out. And we go on the other side now. Take the other foot forward. Again, just find being steady. We're not on a tightrope. We're not doing anything fancy like whatever they do on the Instagram. Be steady, really steady. Engage the belly. Sun. Imagine the sun on the belly. Feel the sun on the belly area. And if you like, and when you're ready, gently bend the front knee. And you may want to bring moving and breathing together. Do what's right for you here. I encourage you to take the posture that the form even, that you would like to take. Can we be here and breathe? Are you able to send your brain into your back heel? Just notice brain into the back heel. Belly button is areas active. Front toes. Find your middle. Can we smile? Can we breathe? Stretch here. Take the movement that your body needs right now. Exhale. Slowly release. Slowly release. I'd invite you to bring your hands together. Hands together. And if you like, and when you're ready, we're going to take 3 rounds of sun breath. Inhale. And again, you choose what your wrists and fingers want to do here. You may want to go further up. That's your choice. And when you're ready, beginning to exhale, bringing the hands together. You can stay with me or go with your own pace. And we'll take another breath. Just experiment with squeezing the shoulder blades together. Noticing any clicks, pops. Can we slow down that exhalation, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, bringing us down into our window of tolerance. And again, inhale. Add a little breath if you want. If you want to add a little, we always think we're full with breath and we can add a little bit more. And slowly, if you like, and when you're ready, bringing it back. Bringing it back. And if you like, and when you're ready, we're going to plant one foot down, quite powerfully, plant it down, taking your weight into the front, the back, notice your middle. And we're going to bring the other heel above the ankle bone. If you would rather take the leg higher, go into the posture, the form that feels right for you right now. I'm going to stay at this lower option. You can take it above the ankle bone or higher. Whatever feels right for you right now. Bringing the palms together. Can we notice the soles of our feet? The toes on the carpet. Where are we grounded into the floor? Be steady. Be steady. And if you like, and when you're ready, keep the palms together or take the arms up to the posture you need. You may want to bring your arms higher or keep them wide. Chin's parallel with the floor, and you may feel your body lengthening up. Can we engage the smile? Can we smile here? Can we breathe? Can you notice the ground under your feet and be steady? And slowly letting that go. And we go on the other side. Plant it down. Just noticing as well, we'll be different on one side to the other. Always. And it changes about every 90 minutes or balance. Bringing your heel into the position that feels right for you. Again, you can take it higher if you prefer. Take the posture, the form that feels right for you now. And I'd invite you to come into the posture, the form that feels right for you right now. Breathe here. Can you breathe? Can you wiggle your fingers? Can we smile? Just feel free to breathe, smile, even move. Can we be like bamboo, moving, yet having a steady base? Again, you may feel your body lengthening up. And if you like, and when you're ready, slowly bringing the arms back down and coming back to feeling steady. And we'll take 3 powerful breaths together to close. You may pace me or take the pace you need. Take the breath you need. Slowing down the exhalation. Slow it down half speed. For the second time. Inhale. Noticing the soles of your feet. Noticing the space in between your fingers. Slowing down the exhalation. And for the final time, notice the weight in your heels, the front of your feet. Inhale. Add a little more breath add a little more breath at the top. And slowly extending the exhalation, activating your parasympathetic nervous system. So just taking a moment now, just to come back into the space, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, lick your lips, have a swallow. You may want to have a little drink of water. What do you need now? And be mindful what might come up for the next few days. If you have any questions, get in touch. I'm going to send you loads of information and your certificate and all of that. But thank you for your interest. Go and spread it. Go and do it. Go and do it. We've got a lot of people that we need to go and heal, keep well, and share these tools. So please stay in touch and enjoy the rest of your day.